Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. We did it. We made it to the finish line. Look at this. Annuals are great. Green grass. Everything is perfect. Blue sky. The sun is shining. What else could you ask for? Made some necessary changes to the flower pots. Less is more. Nice. How about those rose bushes? The first 2 came from Amazon. 3 and 5 came from the backyard. Number 4 came from 5, the little guy. 6, 7, and 9 from the front, and number 8 came from Amazon. He's doing great. Now I'm going to use the shears to do a little trimming. They're pretty dull though. Have to figure something out. I figured it out. Okay, time to do some raking. Not bad at all. Okay, what I'll do is walk to the front, get the mower, and cut the grass. Let's do it. Last mow of the season for the front yard. We came a long way. I told you in a previous video, you'll always find weeds. Nothing you can do about it. Can't forget this side. I keep recommending the Works Trimmer Edger. You'll understand one day. If I'm watering or blowing the clippings, I usually stop when a car passes. Hey, they waved. Might know about the channel. Okay, let's keep going. While I'm at it, might as well add some new mulch to the new addition. I made the right decision when adding this. Not too big, not too small. Don't forget about the other side. You know what? It's so much easier using a bucket to do this. Appreciate the time you gave me. You could have looked at other content. You chose to hang with me. Means the world to me. You have no idea. We came a long way, but it doesn't matter how you start. It's how you finish. This looked hideous at one point. Not anymore. Honestly, guys, wish I could pick up my house and take it somewhere else. No political commentary. No political commentary. You know what I mean, though. You know what I've been going through here and there. It's okay. Well, that's it for season 5. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. We had a great season. I think we had a better year than last year. Wouldn't you agree? Anyway, I do this for you. For the beginners, amateurs, homeowners, you can do it on your own. I don't want you to get ripped off. I'm not a pro or an expert. Just a man called Whitley.